Welcome back guys, we're back again with another WordPress tutorial. This time we're going to be going over how to create an engaging post on your blog or your site. And the first thing you're going to want to do is actually find a title for your blog, something with a good keyword in it, and that will tell people exactly what they're going to be searching. The way that I always will start this is actually doing a Google search first, see how many people are currently searching for this and see what's on the top of the search list. So I want to do a post about Minecraft skins. This is part of the game where people can dress and use different outfit, and I'm just going to create a blog telling them how they're able to create one and download it to use one themselves. As you can see, once we've typed into the search bar, it will now come up with the top searches for it. So on the top of the list we have Minecraft download, then we've got Minecraft maker, Minecraft skin, boys and girls, and so on. One little tip that I'll give you on Google is that if you do an underscore and then a space, it will actually give you the most searched for words before your sentence. And top of the list, the title does go free Minecraft skins, which is pretty much what we're going to be doing as well. One other thing I'll always do as well is just check on a whatever site that you might use for your keywords. In this case I use UberSuggest. It's free and it gives you 3 daily searches. As you can see here, if I type in Minecraft and it comes up Minecraft skins, it's actually second on the list of the volume of searches for this month. As you can see here, even if I add how to download free Minecraft skins will come up because that's going to be a very key word in our blog here. So now that we've done a bit of research, let's head over to our post from our WordPress dashboard and go ahead to add new. Now using the keyword or keywords that you've just found, I will usually use that in the title, so I'll put how to download a free Minecraft skin. So we've now got our title, it's got our keyword in it, and if you have followed my video before, or if you use it yourself, I'm going to copy the actual keyword here. I'm going to come down to the SEO and then I'm just going to type that in as well. So under focus key phrase, I'm just going to go paste it. If you haven't got the all-in-one SEO, I'll leave a link in the description and then you can just go download it. Makes it super easy and it gives you a lot of pointers when you're actually writing your post that you can come and check with. So let's go ahead and add the focus key phrase, and straight away it's not going to give you a great score because of course all we have is a title. So now we've got ourselves a short article, and if you are looking on how to structure a blog or post, check out the SeekaHost tutorials. You'll be able to find a neat video there that will show you exactly how to structure your posts well. However, we now want to make it engaging, so we got our keywords. The first thing that I've done, or you should do, is add your keywords within your H2 and H3 subheadings. So one of the things you're going to want to do is add your keyword, which is the free Minecraft skins in this case, or whatever your keyword is, into the H2 and H3 headings. So as you can see here, although they're larger sentence, I've got free Minecraft skins, free Minecraft skins, free Minecraft skins, etc. That makes it much more readable for the search engines and also easy for the user to be able to know exactly what they're reading about. Now, of course, you do have to stay on point, so if you're writing about something, make sure you don't start writing about something else because that's not easy to read. It might confuse the user and it also might lead them to think, well, I don't want to read another article because this one had nothing to do with what the title was. So keep it all related. As you can see here with the headings, then we've got a paragraph underneath explaining each of them. However, it doesn't look great. It's a bit of an eyesore. There's no pictures, there's no links. So let's go ahead and start doing that. The first thing that we're going to do is want to link some external sites. So as you can see through this post here, we've actually got some links to the Skindex site and also Planet Minecraft. They're 2 sites that you can use to actually create these outfits for Minecraft or the game. And it might be helpful for the user so they can just click that word and then go straight to that site if they want to. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find everywhere that I've got the Skindex written. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to add a link here. So we're going to paste, we're going to do an open on the new tab and a no follow link, and we're going to press enter. So now this will take you directly to that site. We're going to do exactly the same here in the paragraph underneath. And we're also going to do the same for Planet Minecraft, which is another site, and we're just going to leave another external link there just in case people actually want to visit it and check out so they can do it themselves. Great, so we've added our links. Let's go ahead and preview and just check out how it's looking now so we can sort of keep up with the progress of how it looks as we make it more engaging and a better looking post. So as you can see, it's looking okay, but it still could be better. We've got a few links in there, but primarily it's just writing, and I'm sure there's much more we can do to make this look a bit better. A few things just to be aware of, and again, if you do have the SEO or the all-in-one SEO, this is really helpful for it. Give you a page analysis. And as you can see here, we're missing images and videos in the content. Our sentence length contains more than 20 words, which is more than the recommended amount. Maybe we could do with making our sentences a little bit smaller in the blog post. We're going to want to change our meta description, and we need to add more internal links. Other things to add is just to make sure that the key phrase is in the SEO title and that the focus key phrase is at the beginning of the SEO title. So all I've done there is I just changed it to free Minecraft skins. So now let's go ahead and actually add some related images here, because I think they're going to make the article look a lot better, a lot of an easier read as well. So we're going to replace some images now. Before we do that, let's just copy and paste our title or the keyword that you're currently using. So you're going to want to use that in your pictures. And if you're unsure how to actually add images, just come to a new block or create a new block and then go to image. Now you can either upload or go to media library. I'm going to go to upload. And if you don't know how to compress images as well, because it is quite handy to actually have all the images compressed, we do have another video. I'll leave a link in the description and it'll probably be popping up on the screen right now. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this image here, double click that, and it's going to be put on. So let's go center it. We can resize it and check the image size here to do a thumbnail or a full size, and I'm just going to round it off to look like that. Now when you have the image selected in the alternative text, just come over here and just paste the keyword or the title, and then you can even link this image. I'm not going to link it because we have plenty of links throughout this post to Planet Minecraft, so we don't really need to overlink it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add a related image to this particular paragraph. This is talking about Minecraft skins in Java, so I've taken a picture of the Minecraft skins in Java, which you can download. So let's go ahead and upload this one. So now we're just going to resize it to the size that we want, and we're going to center it as well. Now of course I'm just going to go paste into the alternative text free Minecraft skins as well. I tend to like to keep my images the same size, so what you can do is select the image, come down to the width and the height, and then just copy that over. So this is 301 width and 142 height. So if we just come down here and we go 301, now we can put in 142 and the images will be exactly the same size. So I'm just going to go do this for every paragraph. I'm just going to add a related image for each paragraph here, just so it sort of makes sense. It's easier on the eye, and I prefer my post to look a bit like that myself. So we've added all of our pictures now. We've added an alternative text to all of them. So let's go ahead and preview and see if this is looking any better than last time. And as you can see, it's looking much more sort of user-friendly. It's looking a bit nicer. Everything you read has also got something to do with it. So, you know, if it's saying how to download, it will show a relative picture to how to actually download it. Great, so we're looking good. Let's go back to our post and see what else we can add to make this more engaging. Again, if we come to our all-in-one SEO and see what it's saying here, we've got pretty much everything ticked in the focus key phrase. So we've got it in the title, we've got the meta description, we've got it in the URL, and all of that stuff. And if we come down here, we can check the basic SEO, and it says the meta description length. The meta description is over 160 characters. So the meta description you're going to find right here, and at the moment it's just got the content. What I tend to do for here is I'll just delete this content box, and I'll come use the first sentence which sort of describes our post. So if you copy that, come down again and paste it in the meta description, you're going to see it gives you a little live preview there of what it's going to look like online. So now your snippet looks like this, and underneath your title is going to say what we've just copied and pasted. It is now telling us that it's too short, so let's just add a little bit more there. And it seems the extra little sentence has corrected that nicely. One more thing that we are going to need is internal links, because when you do have a post, it's good to include other posts that you've created, maybe other pages on your particular site, so they can navigate their way around the site really well using your posts. Personally, what I like to do is I'll make a duplicate page, and then I'll come over to the duplicate page and then I'll check out my posts. What I'll then see is the related words. So if I see anything to do with Minecraft Skyblock, you can then make an internal link. I'm going to go ahead and link the best upcoming Minecraft servers to join. So if we go on to edit, and we're just going to copy the URL. So we're going to copy the link there, and then we're going to come back to our site. So I've added another sentence over here, which includes servers or single player games. So if I go and highlight the servers word there, and I'm going to interlink with a open new tab. I'm not going to do a non-follow because we want it to follow to our post, and we're going to put the URL there. So then if people now click on this, they'll be able to go to our other post. If we go ahead and preview, let's just check that out and make sure that it actually works. And if we come down to servers, it should now take us to our other post. Great. Some other important factors to actually be aware of whilst you're actually writing it is your passive voice and transitional words. I'm just going to use the example here, but these are some transitional words in English that you can use. What I usually do is I'll try and keep a good note in my head of these sort of words, so then when you start another sentence, you can always start with them. Stuff like furthermore, also, besides, alternatively. They're all really good words. They also rank up your post, and they make it better to read as well. Of course, make sure that everything that you do is categorized. Make sure that your URL slug is matching. So here we've got free Minecraft skins, so it does match when people searching it. It doesn't come up with a random URL on the top. If you do have any social pages, I always recommend adding some social links on here. You can do this by adding a new block, social icons, and then we can just go find them in here. So let's go add, let's say, a YouTube and a Facebook link as well. So now that I've clicked the link, I'm just going to click on that, and I'm just going to enter the address and press enter. Now let's go ahead and add a YouTube one as well. And we're just going to copy and paste the URL there too. And I do recommend adding lots of social links, because it's also a good way of self-promoting yourself. So not only sort of adds to the post, but it will self-promote stuff that you're putting out there. If you're a videographer, might be a gamer, and you can use links, you can copy or embed videos into this. We're just going to go ahead and add a custom HTML. So if we search custom HTML there, we can actually add a Discord widget. So if you do run a Discord group as well, all you got to do is come up to your server settings. You come down to the widget here, and then you can copy the pre-made widget. Now if you come back over to your custom HTML and paste it there, you're going to see if we do a preview, you're going to have like a live Discord view as well. And as you come down, you can see that we have all of our active members. You can connect and join to the Discord here. Now, as you can see, in not a very long time at all, we've made this look much more engaging. We got links, we got related images, we got other groups that people can join, like the Discord. They can follow our social links, and we've also got our internal links. So everything sort of, one post might lead to another post, which might lead to another post. And of course, it's extremely important that we keep it easy to read and related to the subject. And as you can see, through doing all of these things, not only that, we have increased our SEO score to a 94 out of 100. So it's actually looking pretty good in them terms. Another thing, if you do have the all-in-one SEO, is just coming down to your social and making sure that's actually filled out correctly. So your Facebook title and your Twitter title. So I'll do a post title, I'll do a separator, and I'll do a site title. And as you can see, it comes up free Minecraft skins, J-Dog the Shack. I'm going to copy and paste the meta description that we have here in the main one, and we're going to go back over to socials again, and we're going to paste it in the Facebook meta description. I'm going to come up to the top, click on Twitter, and we're going to do exactly the same thing here. So I'm going to do post, separator, site title, and then I'm going to post in a Twitter description. If you have actually got a video for this, I would suggest adding it to the video URL and adding a few article tags as well for the Facebook social media. And on that note, we will also add an embedded video. Let's say you are a video creator, and of course adding a video will only increase the engagingness of the post, because people like to watch a video, plus they don't have to leave your actual post to watch it. They can watch it as they're on your page. So I've not got an exactly related video, but we're just going to put a video on there just to show you. So let's come on to this one here. Obviously don't just use anybody's video, you do need to have permission, so I'm going to use my own. I'm going to come down to share, and I'm going to go to embed. I'm going to copy this over here, then I'm going to come back and do a custom HTML again. We're going to paste it into there, and you can do a preview just to see how it looks like on the page. So let's go ahead and preview it now. And now the post is looking much better. Again, we've got all the features that we had before. You can come down, you can join the Discord through it, and then we've also got an embedded post. So if I press play there, it's just going to play whilst I'm on the page. You still got the features like fast forward and everything like that. Now, before we finish up on this, another thing that I would suggest as well is just adding a featured image, and of course some tags to it. So let's go ahead and add the tags first. Let's do Minecraft skins, and then let's set a featured image. So I'm just going to go with this little village guy over here. And again, very important to add to the alternative text and the title here, our keyword or the actual title to the site. So we're going to do free Minecraft skins. And I'm just going to copy that over and paste it into the title as well. And then set featured image. And now, as we can see, we've got a 98 out of 100. I had a download to the free Minecraft skins because it told me that my SEO title was a little bit short. So again, following the advice in the SEO, and everything that I've said on this video now, we should get a really good scoring post, really engaging one, and it should help with viewers, readability, and people actually clicking on it to read it. And once you're done, of course, go ahead, hit publish, and you can now publish your article, and you've got it out there for everybody to see. Let's go ahead and view the post. Awesome, and it's looking great. So thanks again for watching, guys, and don't forget, if you are looking to get yourself online, check out SeekaHost. They've got some really great packages. You can get yourself online in a matter of minutes. Secure hosting, they've got 24/7 support. Not only that, you can grab yourself a domain with their domain finder super quick and easily. So I'll leave a link in the description for them, and we'll see you again on the next WordPress tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.